The Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking an apology from Union Home Minister Amit Shah. To register our plights and demand justice to our academicians, mammoth rallies were held on 19 August 2023 in all Kuki inhabited areas of Manipur under the auspices of Kuki Inpi Manipur. KIM said a memorandum submitted by KIM to the Prime Minister. It unequivocally condemned the elite's prejudicial, senseless statement of Amit Shah, Union Home Minister. According to KIM, Amit Shah openly showed his partiality towards Chief Minister Biren Singh and his narratives while speaking on the major issue in the Parliament recently by deliberately ignoring the crux of current issue. The Union Home Minister, in sincerity to solve the problem and restore normalcy, was implicitly reflected in the speech, it alleged. We strongly demand that the Honorable Union Home Minister tender a due apology to the Kukis and his contempt speech should be unpunched, it said.